Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you Sirweara.com review. So you might be wondering, what is Sirweara.com here and what does it actually offer? So Sirweara.com is an online clothing store that offers a wide variety of apparel for men and women, and the website features products such as graphic shirts, hoodies, jackets, sweaters, dresses, pens, and casual fashion items. Now, many of the designs are inspired by vintage, bohemian, nature, and outdoor themes, with new collections regularly promoted on the homepage here. Now, the website is organized into product categories, making it easy to browse different styles. Now, each product page here typically includes photos, available sizes, hauler options, pricing, and a short description. Now, many items are listed with the promotional discounts, with shirts and hoodies commonly priced between $29.99 and $59.99. Now, while jackets and outerwear can cost more depending on the design. Now, the homepage also frequently advertises site-wide sales and limited time discounts. Now, using Sirweara.com is similar to most online clothing stores. Start by browsing the available collections or using the search feature to find a specific item. And once you've selected a product here, you just need to choose your preferred size and color here if available, and add it to your shopping cart and continue to checkout. Now, during the checkout, you'll enter your shipping information, select a payment method, and place your order. Now, after the purchase is complete or completed, the website provides order tracking through your account or confirmation email. So, if you want to learn more about the sizes, you can also visit their description here on the specific product that you want to buy. Now, in this case, the website also includes pages covering shipping, returns, sizing information, and customer support. And before ordering here, it is a good idea to review the size chart for each item, as measurements may vary between different clothing styles. And return refund information is also available through the site's customer service page here, so if you want to learn about it. Now, with any kind of website that you are going to use out there, it's better to check reviews outside of their website just to see if it's actually worth it. Now, if you have any questions about their website, you can go ahead and just go to their contact us page here or read more about the About Us section. Now, currently, if you go to the contact us page here, you'll have the option to view or see their email here if you want to directly interact or contact them. But that's about it. So, find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.